Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Northern Sea Oats, which is one of those rare grasses that offers both grace and bold personality in the garden. Native to North America, this perennial ornamental grass is known for its unique, flat, oat-like seed heads that dangle elegantly from arching stems. As the breeze moves through them, they sway like little wind chimes, soft, soothing, and full of movement. This motion makes Northern Sea Oats not just a background filler but a dynamic centerpiece, especially in naturalistic or woodland-style landscapes. One fun fact about Northern Sea Oats is how dramatically its appearance changes through the seasons. In spring and early summer, it starts with bright green foliage and soft green seed heads. As the season progresses, those seed heads mature into a coppery brown shade, holding on well into the fall and often lasting through early winter. They're also a favorite in dried floral arrangements, where their shape and texture really shine. Whether fresh or dried, they add visual interest beyond what most grasses can offer. The plant itself grows in upright clumps that usually reach about 2 to 4 feet tall, with bamboo-like stems and broad, lance-shaped leaves. These leaves turn a rich golden tan in autumn before fading to a soft straw color in winter. Even when dormant, Northern Sea Oats contributes architectural structure to the garden, especially when left standing during the colder months. It's also incredibly easy to grow. Northern Sea Oats thrive in full sun to partial shade and are particularly well suited for woodland edges or shady borders, rare for ornamental grass. It prefers moist, well-drained soil but is surprisingly tolerant of a variety of conditions once established. If you're dealing with erosion or looking for a plant that can handle wet areas or stream banks, this grass is a great choice. It also has strong, spreading rhizomes that help stabilize soil and form colonies over time. To keep it in check, especially in more manicured gardens, you want to trim it back to the seed heads before they drop, as this plant can self-seed generously. Cutting it back to a few inches above the ground in late winter or early spring keeps it tidy and encourages fresh new growth. And because it's native, it supports local wildlife, acting as a shelter for insects and small animals, and its seeds are enjoyed by birds in the fall and winter. Northern Sea Oats pairs beautifully with other natives like coneflowers, goldenrod, Joe Pye weed, or ferns. It also provides a wonderful textural contrast against plants with rounder leaves or softer forms. Use it in rain gardens, woodland gardens, or even as a buffer planting along property edges. It's not commonly used in cooking or herbal medicine, but its ecological and ornamental value is undeniable. Its seed heads are sometimes used in natural crafts or wreaths, and the plant's ability to support pollinators and native habitats makes it a valuable addition to any biodiverse garden. For anyone looking to bring a sense of motion, texture, and four-season interest into their landscape, Northern Sea Oats is truly versatile as a choice. It's hardy, beautiful, and low maintenance, offering a wild charm that still feels elegant and intentional. Whether you're trying to rewild your garden or just looking for a low-fuss plant that keeps the visual interest going year-round, Northern Sea Oats deserve a spot in the spotlight. And that wraps up today's plant profile. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more plant videos.